Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's job posting is an online chat representative. This is basically another type of customer service job, and it is for Virginia Pace Authority. This is a remote job, of course, like always, and it is a $15 to a $21 an hour job. Again, like most of my job postings, the reason why this salary or this hourly income fluctuates is due to the fact that it's both full-time and part-time. The qualifications right here for this job is you just have to have a high school degree or equivalent. Customer service for a year is preferred, and obviously you must be able to work in the US. Some of their benefits, they have health insurance, dental insurance, 401k, paid time off. It's remote. They have parental leave, employee assistance program, vision insurance, and flexible scheduling. So some of the things that they're looking for, or some of the things that this job entails, are answering incoming phone calls. They also have emails and live sessions. They would like for the person to have, obviously, good customer service. You guys will be processing return and exchanges, working diligently to resolve any order fulfillment issues. You would have to also communicate clearly to customers and other members of the customer service team, and whatever other tasks that are assigned as well. You will be interacting with customers over the phone, and you will have to have a patient and calm demeanor. So that comes with any customer service job. Obviously, you need to be patient. You're gonna have to be willing to listen to people's requests and help with finding a solution to any of their problems. Again, they have the benefits right here. Scheduling is Monday to Friday. They also have bonus pay as well. So that's really nice. And they're currently hiring 2 candidates for this role. They are urgently hiring. So like I always tell you guys, if this is something you're interested in, then I would urge you to go ahead and apply right away, because you don't want this to be gone by the time you come back to apply. Link is always in my bio as usual, but other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you are wanting more job posting or any other finance related videos, how to work with your finances, how to get a job, then definitely go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I do post daily as far as job postings go. Also, if you can leave me a like, that would be very, very helpful. And if you would like to leave a lovely comment as well, I would really appreciate it. Other than that, as usual, happy job hunting!